welcome everybody and thank very much to IUCIA and CIMAT to organize this magnificent conference. We're really looking forward for the next 2 days to see how young minds and politicians, how private sector and civil society activists are shaping regional economic integration. From our point of view, it's a wonder and a wish came through that Somalia joined the East African community. And we have witnessed last week with the Special Envoy and his team the creation of a roadmap to foster the integration of Somalia into the legal framework of the East African community. As GIZ, we are really looking forward to support the implementation and look forward to see what is the role that Somalia, with the blue economy and obviously with the young people on its heart, are playing in the regional integration. GIZ supports the EEC and its secretariat based in Arusha since 25 years, not only in the area of trade and economic cooperation, but also on health, water management, and higher education. And that's why I'm very much pleased to be here also with the colleague that is heading the higher education team, David Rose, that is looking forward to foster cooperation not only with CIMAT, but also with the other universities in Somalia and its partner states. We very much also welcoming the IUCIA colleagues that have co-hosted the conference. Obviously for us it's important that the institutions are strengthened, and we were very much looking forward that more universities are joining the regional university network. When it comes to the topics that we will discuss, I don't have to allude on the success that the EC is doing on interregional trade. 15% growth is standing out all over Africa, and also to negotiate the AFCTA as a bloc, it's standing out all over Africa. We really believe that Somalia trading with goods and obviously also the coastline is providing a perfect opportunity to join the community. And we would also emphasize that negotiating the AFCTA as a bloc means here is where the regional integration is in its heart functioning and working forward. It's not always easy, but it's definitely something that we are looking forward to support, because the EU also wasn't built in a day, and Germany is a strong believer on regional integration, supporting the RECs, supporting SADC, EEC, ECOWAS, and obviously also the African Union as the architecture all across Africa. Lastly, the focus on higher education can't be more important than it is today, because it's the bright minds that need to shape the future. And we have seen the STI policy, the Science and Technology Innovation Policy, just been endorsed at the STI Forum in Kenya. We have seen the educational ministers meeting, and we saw a high emphasis on higher education. Let's get this right, and let's really look forward to foster digital skills for the future, to really foster the higher education as our own framework that young people can see what regional integration is really looking forward. Thank you very much. GIZ is your partner since 25 years. We will continue supporting the EC from Arusha, and definitely also on the ground here in Somalia. Obviously, it's your integration. We're looking forward to witness how it's unfolding. Thank you very much. Asante sana. Shukran.